Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Calvin Lim Investing, and as usual, I'm your host Calvin, and today we're going to talk about how to buy Shiba token or Shiba coins using either Coinbase or MetaMask wallet via Uniswap. So this is going to be one of the easiest ways you can buy some Shiba tokens or other altcoins that may or may not be available in exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, and so forth. So without further ado, let's kind of dig deep into, or let's kind of go through the steps of how you can buy Shiba coins and other smaller tokens that have not made their way to some of the more popular exchanges. And by popular exchanges, I'm talking about Coinbase, Voyager, Binance, and KuCoin. Those are the kind of the four ones that and obviously actually the fifth one would be eToro. So there's some of the bigger exchanges. Sometimes you can't find these small coins, but they have, I wouldn't say they have great potential, but they have some potential for a pop or some long-term potential, and you can definitely look into it. So before we get started, as always, if you could show a little support, smash the like and subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. And before you begin to invest into crypto, please be aware that there is significant risk. You can, if you buy $200 of Shiba, expect yourself to lose that $200. Shiba can go from where it's at now to nothing overnight. So please be aware of the risk, because this is not Bitcoin, this is not Litecoin, this is not Ethereum. This is just a random small cap token that is just out there at the moment, and the technology hasn't really been fully developed. So definitely be careful when you're buying these types of tokens. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So here is going to be Shiba Inu or Shiba token or coin. And basically it's up a crazy amount in the last I guess in the last 7 days. It went from whatever, how many cents that is to here. In the last 7 days, it's up 900%. In the last 14 days, it's up over 1,000%. So it's definitely trading pretty high. And today alone, it is up 384 or 385%. The token is kind of a meme made out from the Shiba Inu, similar to Dogecoin, but it's obviously has a lot more tokens in circulation. Let's see where it says. There is, oh, it doesn't say there's volume market cap. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't say how many tokens are in their circulating supply is gonna be million, billion, trillion. So it's gonna be 1 quadrillion, I believe, and that's gonna be a ton. So the goal is, I think, is to keep this coin always under a penny, which is very, very doable. If it even reaches here, I would be surprised, but hey, anything can happen, right? So let's dive right into it. So you're gonna want to go to Uniswap. You're gonna click use Uniswap. You're gonna want to use Ethereum or one of these common bases. I definitely like to use Ethereum. I think it's pretty simple, standard. You're gonna swap out Ethereum or any other token, but I think Ethereum is one of the cheaper ones to swap out on. But you can use any of them. I like to use Ethereum. You can use USDT, DAI, and wrap Bitcoin or Bitcoin, whatever you like. You definitely can buy these at one of the larger exchanges, and then you're gonna want to come here. So you're gonna want to click Shiba. Right, it's going to be Shiba. You're going to have to import the contract via CoinGecko, which I did. And this allows you to trade. I'm going to trade 0.01 Ethereum for, I guess, 2 million Shiba, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to want to hit swap. And then you're going to hit swap. And then you're going to want to select one of your wallets. You can do it with Coinbase. You can do it with MetaMask, and what you're going to do is you're going to swap it out of whatever wallet you have, Coinbase, MetaMask, and so forth, and be able to use that to swap your tokens from Ethereum to Shiba. So, all right, so we're gonna start from the beginning. You see I have Ethereum. We're gonna do 0.01. Actually, we'll do 0.015. We're gonna select Shiba. Let's see. All right, you're gonna click Shiba. You're gonna hit swap, and then it's gonna show you this. You're here. You're gonna be able to connect your wallet. My wallet's already connected, so you're just gonna confirm the swap, and in a short, you're gonna have to provide a small little liquidity fee, and so you're gonna be losing a little. You're gonna pay a small fee for the swap, and then after the swap, you should see your Shiba in whatever wallet you're using. So this could be MetaMask, Coinbase, or so forth. So remember, you do have to buy one of the mainstream tokens at a large exchange and transfer it to another wallet before you can confirm the swap. So Coinbase alone doesn't allow you to swap. You have to transfer your tokens from Coinbase into Coinbase wallet itself before you're able to pull off a swap. So with that being said, please feel free to drop me questions below. I'm happy to answer anything, and I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope to see you guys around. So let me know how this goes. Let me know if you're able to make the swap, or if you're going to be investing into Shiba, and just drop some comments. I'm interested to see what you guys have planned, what you guys think, and whether you guys will be investing in Shiba or if you guys need some assistance. So feel free to drop comments, and I'll get back to you guys. So with that being said, thank you for tuning in today, and if you get the chance, please hit the subscribe button.